What's going on, everybody? I'm Noah from TechnoBuffalo.com. I'm here in this random office building on 2nd Street in downtown San Francisco. And look what I found. It's a T-Mobile MyTouch 4G slide. Let's open it up. Alright, it's not really a random office building. This is where I met the T-Mobile folks. They were in town, wanted to give me a little hands-on tour of the phone, little philosophy behind it, and now I've got my review unit. This one hits the stores, hits the streets. The story is often dated before it ever hit the streets. This hits the stores on July 27th. Internet pre-sale before that. It'll be available in black and khaki. This is the khaki. It really is khaki on the back. I called it silver before I saw the back because of the chrome accents, but khaki on the back. Also available in black. It'll be $199.99 on contract. And this is the new flagship phone for T-Mobile right now, their hero device for the near-term future. While it boots up, we'll show you what else is in the box. You've got your manuals, you've got your USB cable, and your USB-based power adapter. The phone is built on the same platform as the HTC Sensation. So it's a dual-core Qualcomm processor, 768 megabytes of RAM. But the two big things here, the differentiators, besides the software, which we'll get to a little bit more in a minute, this is successor, obviously, to the MyTouch 4G. So you've got the Genius button, some of the other features, but you've got the keyboard. Hardware-wise, the big differences between this and the Sensation, you've got the keyboard, HTC 4-row keyboard, and then you've got this new advanced camera sensor, which the folks at T-Mobile were really excited about. It's an 8-megapixel camera, dual LED flash, autofocus, full 1080p video capture. But it's the software they're really excited about. The sensor itself is a new sensor. It's got a better f-stop, better low light performance, backlight illuminated sensor, all kinds of stuff that honestly is a little bit beyond me in terms of technical knowledge of photography and the mechanics of cameras. But they assure me, best camera phone ever. So we'll put that through its paces, we'll see. Also on the front, there's a VGA camera. It's a 3.7-inch display with WVGA resolution 800 by 480. Obviously capacitive touch, pinch to zoom, multi-touch, all that good stuff. You've got the newest version of HTC Sense, and then you've also got some customizations with the software made by HTC in conjunction with T-Mobile. So you've got the Genius button down here on the bottom. These are hard buttons, not capacitive touch buttons. Hard buttons. You've got the Genius button, as well as your back button, your menu button, and your home button. And we'll take a quick look here at the Let's Get Started tour. You can see touting the camera features. Sweep shot is a panorama mode. Burst shot for rapid fire multiple frames. HDR, they're branded as clear shot, so for better photos and high contrast lighting situations. There's your Genius button, voice command system. It's an improved voice command system with an always listening mode, so you can speak to it to wake it up instead of having to press the button. And one of the cool things about the camera that they showed me real quick, let's go to home here. Can we get out of here? Alright, use location consent, agree, choose the theme, that's fine. Just want to show real quick, we'll do this later. Another cool feature on here is group text, so you can set up a group texting, group messaging chat, and you can basically send out a text message to a list of people, and once the group chat is going, you only get charged for one text message no matter how many recipients are on that thread, which is kind of a nice little thing. But when you hit the hardware camera button here, load up the camera, and there's a demo video. We're going to skip that for now because this is already getting into a long unboxing style video. But you can see the modes here. If we switch to real dark, the mode will switch to night mode. And so basically, you've got these different program modes on the camera. They're called scenes. So you've got auto, sweep shot, HDR, clear shot HDR, burst shot, night mode, etc., etc. And the software in the camera auto selects. When you have it in auto mode, it'll auto select the appropriate mode for whatever you're doing. So you can see again, if I make it dark, it'll switch into night mode there automatically. Pretty cool. So I'm excited to check out the camera, see how it does. Of course, also it's kind of a novelty these days to use a phone with a hard keyboard that's not a BlackBerry. So psyched to try that out as well. And there you go, kind of an unboxing, first look, first hands-on at the MyTouch 4G slide, built by HTC with T-Mobile. Hits T-Mobile stores on July 27th, $199 on contract. And again, you know, the big things here, you've got the Android platform, the latest version of HTC Sense, the 8-megapixel camera, T-Mobile touting it as the most advanced camera going. Netflix preloaded, so there's your Netflix compatibility, even though they just raised their prices. No more My Modes feature, but they did retain the Genius button and the Kids Zone application as well. Wi-Fi calling, Wi-Fi hotspot, quick video chat built in, front-facing camera, all that good stuff. And we'll go here to settings just to confirm. There you go, Android 2.3.4 with the latest HTC Sense version 3.0 with some T-Mobile customizations. You get your customizable buttons down there in the bottom. Kind of fun. There you go, that's it. Customizable buttons, go buy one. We'll have much, much more on the MyTouch Slide 4G in black and in khaki, and all the other new stuff from T-Mobile and everybody else over on TechnoBuffalo.com. Till next time, my name's Noah. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks, there goes my camera. Thanks to the folks from T-Mobile for meeting me here at this random office building and giving me a review unit so I can bring you all more on the MyTouch 4G slide. We'll see you later.